Hello, I am Adalberto Cervantes Rodriguez. I am the creator of the ERP technology and the business database technology that is used worldwide, but only by SAP and Oracle. Those companies stole my technology at the Mexican oil company Pemex, having a patent. So Pemex gave my technical specification first to Oracle and after to SAP, violating all kind of legal situation. Is totally fraud and stealing of technology. I requested to the Mexican government to give me a copy of the agreement between Oracle and Pemex and SAP and Pemex, and they couldn't find it. This smell really fish, and it's because they use both of my technologies, the ERP technology and the business database technology, to bankrupt all the Mexican government companies and belong to the Mexican citizens. It had been covering up this fraud for almost more than 20 years. So this is a criminal act that involves even the Secretaría de Hacienda y Crédito Público, Hildebrando, Felipe Calderón, Salinas de Gortari, Margarita Zavala, among others. Same situation is happening with the US companies that are moved to China or are coming to Mexico City, and they are put in bankruptcy using boots on the ground, military. According with the Union of Hymns, they said there's Mexican military involved in all this situation, even with the participation of some universities like Anáhuac, IPADE, Ibero, ITESM, and others. It's incredible. Okay, all of them, these universities belong to the elites. Okay. At the end of the day, all these U.S. companies are moved to China as well. Has other partners, a lot of small Indian origin IT companies, mainly registered in Texas, North Carolina, New York City, state of Michigan, state of California. All of them, they are protected by the skull bonds to do this accounting and fiscal fraud and to destroy the United States using Indian origin IT consultant with less than undergraduate studies. They're totally destroying us. As well as all their clients. We know that there are key banks that are manipulating totally the economy, and they can define clearly to destroy whatever country they want. Today, they assign percentage to the Illuminati corporates to do that, and they are focused in destroying the United States and be replaced by China, Israel, Switzerland. As I told you before, all the processes and data are totally incorrect because they didn't use science and technology and industrial engineering. That is what we are supposed to use. This situation is messing up with military, with health services, even with the election process. All the information of the data was totally wrong, doing frauds even in the computer systems and others done by hardware by China and software by India. So these guys really are infiltrating and destroying us, even in basic stuff, when we need to use US science and technology and industrial engineering. It's what we used to do before 9/11. This skull bond changed everything after 9/11 to their convenience to have us in a banana situation, okay, coming from Babylon. Incredible, okay? And you can check that if you go into your hospital, clinic, and health centers. All the data and processes are incorrect. They don't even can define an autopsy and define clearly someone is dead by natural causes or someone is murdered using electromagnetism, nanotechnology, implants, MK Ultra, and others. That is what is used according with the New World Order. They are killing us using that technology according with the population agenda. As the father of industrial engineering, I propose to use immediately industrial engineers with ergonomic backgrounds. So at the end of the day, we're going to have the technology of the industrial engineering, ergonomics integrated with my ERP technology and business database technologies. Because of all these issues, all the presidents, including Obama, all the CEOs are considered right now like psychopaths, satanic, diabolic, criminals, and even homosexual, because they are implanting them these reptilian implants that make them be homosexual, plus the MK Ultra that made them be puppets of the elites. They control all their necessities, including the basic necessities like poop and pee. So you can imagine the situation going to public events with diapers. Today we're going to talk about the situation of against of the involvement of Spanish speakers in the cabinet of Mr. Trump, presidential cabinet. So it is really important to have really representation of Spanish speakers. U.S. We don't want Mexicans involved in the Argentines. We don't want from any country, only from United States, because I think that United States is going to keep all the U.S. science and technology and industrial engineering. We have to work and not use this banana technology coming from Babylon and sustained by China, Russia, India, Israel. I mean, these guys they have been working for centuries in this way, but it doesn't work for us. And most of the countries, of course, they want to change to continue with the U.S. Science and technology as we used to have before 9/11, and not use this satanic and diabolic system. Even the finance system has to be replaced. We have to take from the Rothschilds and all these elites of the richest families, so all the financial manipulation that they have. And we can do it if we lead with Mr. Trump all these changes. So it's necessary to change. We need to audit the central banks worldwide because they are stealing us a lot of money to all our countries, and basically they are making us being poor, unemployed, among others. The statistics are totally wrong in the macroeconomic situation, so it's not integrated with the microeconomic situation. Then is everything is fraud. Okay, so my technology is able to do that, and we need to create the technology as I designed it, and according with the U.S. science and technology and industrial engineering. There's no other way, and it has to be like that because there's no way that these Illuminatis are going to stop science and technology, and industrial engineering is going to continue. Okay, so it is necessary that the Spanish speakers are related with all that, and we can stop all this Babylon banana pseudo technology. Thank you very much for listening. I hope that you like this program. Make clicking like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my video. Thank you very much. God bless you.